Hey guys, this is AAQIB and welcome to the E-Innovator. Today we are assembling a loudspeaker. Why assembling? Only because all we need to do is just buy some components and assemble them together. And I named it as BMW speaker. Why BMW? Why BMW speaker? You will come to know in video. So without wasting time, let's start.
So guys, let's make a look upon the requirements, the components which we will be assembling for the loudspeaker. So first what comes is the amplifier circuit, which has an inbuilt Bluetooth module on it. This circuit you can buy it from Amazon or you can buy it from Flipkart. It mostly costs 100 rupee. It has 3 buttons on it. It has different ports on it. Here comes the USB port is there. On-off key is there, a micro SD card is there, a charging port is there. Then 3 buttons are there to control the volume and mode in the loudspeaker. The Bluetooth module built in, you can connect it within the range of 20 meters. It is the version 4.2. It produces stereo sound. You can use DC 5 volt to charge your battery over here, which is almost 500 milliampere. The signals received by the Bluetooth device are amplified by the amplifier circuit which is present on this module, and that signals are forwarded to a speaker. And here is a speaker which provides the output of 5 watt and a stereo sound. The signals amplified by the amplifier circuit are converted to the sound energy, are converted to the sound signals with the help of the speaker. And to supply power to our circuit, we will be using lithium-ion battery, which has an output of 1200 milliamperes with 3.7 volt DC. The battery can be recharged within 3 hours and it lasts for 5 to 6 hours. So without waiting, let's go for connections directly.
So we have 4 prints on our main circuit board. These two prints are for speaker. This is the positive of speaker, this is the negative of speaker. Here comes the battery, positive, battery, negative. So let's connect the speaker first. Positive of speaker over here. Yeah, this is the positive of speaker. Negative goes over here. Now it's the time to connect battery. So the positive of battery goes over here and the negative of battery goes here. And circuit is done. This is the only thing we have to do to assemble our circuit. No other connections, just this much stuff. Let me check first whether the charging port is working or not. So all we need is the charger with the micro USB cable. Connect the cable. Yeah, it's working fine. We can see a indicator light over there. Now let me try to connect this circuit with my laptop through Bluetooth, and let's play some music. First turn on the device.
Welcome to WALTA, the house of music. Bluetooth mode.
Let's connect it with the laptop. Here is our device which is already connected. Now let's play some music. So the sound produced by the speaker is of enough pitch, but what I feel is that it's not favorable to my ears. Sound is too irritating. What we can do is just make an external cover for the speaker, and let's put this device inside that speaker, inside that cover, so that we can deviate the sound to a particular direction and we can prevent leakage of sounds. So let's hope for the best.
And here comes the reason why I named this speaker as BMW speaker is only because of these speaker grills. What this speaker grill does is just they protect our speaker from the external environment. They filter out the sound and makes it clear for us. So let me fix this on our speaker. You might be thinking that what is this another cutout for? If this is the speaker and this, what is this another cutout? Yes, I will explain it to you. I am planning to use a rubber sheet over here so that we can improve the bass quality in our sound. And we will protect this rubber sheet with the help of another speaker grill from any external foreign material. And this will be the front panel of our loudspeaker, which seems as the BMW head. It's pretty cool. So let's try it in our speaker. Let's fix this rubber sheet on our speaker panel on the another side of speaker panel. Actually, let's use some hot glue or a flex quick. No, sorry, not that side. It should be fixed on the another side. This part is for speaker, and here we are using the rubber sheet to improve the bass quality of our sound. I guess we are missing something. Yes, we forgot many cutouts for our circuit board. We have to use the different ports available on it. So let's do some arrangement so that we can use these ports. So the assembling is finally done. Let's try to play some music by connecting the Bluetooth.
Turn on the device first.
Welcome to WALTA, the house of music. Bluetooth mode.
And let's see whether all the works we did were worthy or not, whether there is any improvement in the sound quality or not, and how is the bass. Let's try it. Connect it, and here is our device. Connected automatically.
Connected.
Now let's try to play some music and see the outputs.
Hola, 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 hola. With your move fancy, make me wanna hola, 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 hola. I got your attention, spending a moolah, 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 moolah. I'm a top top in party, sola, 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 sola. Sola, 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 sola.
This is the button to decrease the volume, and here is the button to increase the volume.
Line in.
And here is the button we can change the modes like FM mode, then Bluetooth mode, and then we can use a chip over there, SD card, and here is
FM tender.
this is the FM mode. Then
Bluetooth mode.
changing it again to the Bluetooth mode.
So guys, this was all about the BMW speaker. If you found this video interesting, then do like, share and subscribe, and do something with the bell icon. Just hit it by your head or by a stool. I just want you to press it, and see you in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz and bye.